welcome to our channel. And today we're going to do something very different. We're going to open a bark box for our dog. Whoa. Inside are treats.
What's
this?
What is that? A snow cone. Show it. Show it.
What? Snow cone.
And
We're going to eat the snow. And they have this. I don't know what this is.
okay, next.
No, it's
Just about bark box.
yes. Aww.
Oh. Okay, next.
Mom. Next they have a
Toy.
toy.
Squishy.
Does it
Squishy toy. Oh,
We give
there's
it to the dog.
Mossy. Not yet.
Okay, no, not yet.
Show the rest. That's for you, Moss.
Everything's for you.
What's that?
And they have treats.
A Beastie Bar. Turkey dog treat.
Then they have a watermelon.
What is it?
Watermelon.
Fruity Balls Skinny Minis. Watermelon flavor. And what else?
We have.
Show me. What is it?
I don't know what it is.
Okay, face it. Small bites.
Small boy.
Show it. You have to show it.
This. And our dog is waiting for this.
What else is there?
That's all the stuff.
Okay.
Yeah. Just give one to our dog.
Okay, show Mossy. Call
Moss.
Mossy. There's Mossy.
Should I open his
He's
tree?
happy.
His tree. Yes. Look. Huh? Bye. Hmm?
See you next time.
Bye. See you next time. So cute.
What's that, Moss? What's inside? You have a toy.
You have a toy, Moss?
Yeah.
Look. It squeaks.
Okay.
Squeaks not loud.